Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to recover deleted notes from iPhone. How to recover it. Method 1, using recently deleted folder. For this, open Notes app. Open Notes app. Now tap on folders. Now after tapping, you'll get an option recently deleted. This option will only appear if you have deleted notes within the last 40 days. Then tap on recently deleted. Now choose the note you want to recover. For example, this new note, I want to recover it. Simply tap on move. Tap on move. Now from here, select notes. The recovered note will now be back up in your main note list. Select notes. Now it has been back up in your main note list. So that's it. That's how you'll recover from recently deleted folder in notes. The method 2 is using iCloud. For this, go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, select iCloud, tap on show all, scroll down and find notes. Now after finding it, make sure sync this phone is turned on. This ensure notes are backup in iCloud. Now open a web browser on your iPhone and go to iCloud.com. From there, you can also backup your. If you reach iCloud.com, sign into your iCloud, tap on Note, look for the recently deleted, and you can recover from iCloud.com. So that's it. These are the two methods from which you can recover your deleted notes. Thanks for watching. See you in next.